to the drawing course for total beginners. My name is Alexandra and I'm going to be your teacher today. I'm a professional art teacher holding a master's degree in art education. I have taught drawing for kids and adults for years, namely 8 years in 2018. This course aims to teach drawing fundamentals for total beginners who are stuck with Stickman, for those who love drawing but life happened and they stopped, for those who want to refresh their skills, and for those who want to improve their skills. In this course we are going to cover a little drawing theory on how artists see the world and cover topics like shape, line, proportion, perspective and shading. Now watch the free lessons, join our community, and if you like what you see, enroll. See you inside the course!